Imagine walking into your local shopping mall and going into a popular shoe store to find a pair of tennis shoes you've been looking for. You find the shoes, they are the perfect size, perfect color, and perfect fit for $100. You walk out of that store and just a few stores down, you go into another popular shoe store and find the same pair of shoes, same brand, same style, same color, same size, same fit, yet they are only $80 at this store. Would you immediately pick up the $80 pair of shoes or the $100 pair of shoes? The answer seems obvious, but would you believe that 4 out of 5 people in your area and many other areas in the country are figuratively choosing the $100 pair of shoes? Now let's compare this example to your electric bill. Yes, it's true. 4 out of 5 people in your area and around the country could easily save a ton of money on their electric bill, but have no idea the opportunity even exists or choose not to do it. Are you one of them? What if I told you that within 5 minutes or less, you could be saving a significant percentage off your electric bill starting next month? And it won't cost you a single penny out of pocket, and we'll even pay you to do it. Here's how it works. You may or may not know this, but you've been invited to watch this presentation because you live in a deregulated energy state. This means that you get to choose who you receive your electric power from, thereby saving you a ton of money each month. It's so easy to make the switch. All you need is your current electric bill in hand. It's completely seamless and nothing changes for you. You still make your payment to who you make payment to today. And you still call the same company if you have any troubles with your service. The only thing that changes is the name of the company you receive your power from and the amount you pay each month. It's a complete no-brainer, isn't it? Well, it actually gets even better for you because we will actually pay you to make the switch today. Yes, you will receive $2,000 in rewards cash, which you can redeem to receive huge savings on everyday purchases you make in your local area. Savings such as 2-for-1 dinners and meals at your favorite restaurants in your city, 2-for-1 movie tickets, huge discounts on grocery items, huge discounts on travel and hotel stays, even savings on brands like Dolce & Gabbana, Lacoste, Oakley, and more. Receiving these rewards dollars is like putting money in your pocket, and you get them for making the switch 100% free today. So here's the bottom line. Right now, you are paying more for your electricity than you have to, and we want to help you. You'll get the same exact service for less and get rewarded to do so. You get the savings and the rewards for absolutely free when you choose to make the switch today. Just have your power bill in hand, fill out the form on this page with your name, email address, and phone number, and let the savings begin.